Hello, my name is Tom Scott. I am 5 feet 11, currently located in San Diego, which is my home base. Okay. Well, I must say, lucky for you, you brought your car in at the right time. I mean, look at all these things. You've got a motor mount that's almost ready to go. The Johnson rod. Now, the Johnson rod, that could have cost you your life. I mean, that's cost. Well, you're probably looking at, well, for the motor mount, probably about 200. The Johnson rod will run you maybe, I would say 300. Oh, I've got quite a bit of experience fixing these kinds of problems. Oh yeah, yeah. I did one last week actually. Yeah, same thing. Johnson rod was gone in the motor mount. Yep. Okay. Very good, my friend. Yeah, I will call you when it's done. Sure. Okay. Have a great day. And you have a great day as well.